At kung itong 2,000 ay inhabited ng tao, di ba? At meron tayong 150,000 na mga sundalo, kung scattered mo yan doon sa 2,000 islands, meron tayong 75 soldiers na naka-assign lamang sa bawat isla. Kung meron si VP Sara na 400 na sundalo naka-assign sa kanya at meron tayong 75 soldiers sa bawat isla, I think that is excessive and that is somehow irrational. Being a public official, we must be prudent, di ba? To see the meager budget of our government. Di ba? We have to maximize. And the work of the AFP is the external threats.